Shalom. First, I want to give all praises, honor, and glory to Yahweh, Bahashem, Yahweh Shai, Bahashem, Rakha, Kodash. Double honors to the apostles of Great Millstone, and peace and blessings to the elect. This is just going to be a short video, all right, on this article, more update on the mark of the beast technology, as you could say, because we know that's what this is going to lead to. But it says China to launch digital Yuan next year to replace cash. All right, it says the People's Bank of China has revealed plans to have its sovereign digital currency ready in time for 2022 Winter Olympics. The announcement comes as the COVID-19 pandemic has accelerated a shift away from paper money. Limited trials are already underway in Shenzhen, Suzhou, Chengdu, and Jianggang New Area in the northern province of Hubei, said the central bank's governor Yi Gang. He told reporters that China's government plans to run pilot tests at Olympic venues, though there remains no official timeable for a release or timetable. Salakia, timetable for release. Now, that's you got to understand. This is not just China, because the U.S. also have this thing called the digital dollar that they're also trying to roll out as a central bank digital currency. Okay, so because of thanks to coronavirus, now people are shifting away from actual physical money, and everything is being moved to being digitalized. All right, but as they advance more and more into the digital world, it's not going to be just through your phone that you're going to pay for things. All right, soon they're going to issue out that chip, man. All right, and we see it. It says an unnamed member of the state council with knowledge of the project told the Nikkei Asia Review that if the government is satisfied with the results of this year's tests, the currency will be issued next year. Otherwise, more tests will be conducted next year, he said. The digital yuan will be linked to the holder's smartphone number, with transactions taking place through an app. See, and then after that, then they can come out and demonize that and say, well, what if you lose your phone? Well, if you have a chip, you can never lose your chip. Users will be able to transfer money between accounts by tapping phones, much like having physical cash change hands. The currency will be legal tender, so it could be exchanged without needing a bank as an intermediary. The size of transactions will be limited based on identity verification. A phone number alone would permit only small transactions, while providing proof of identity or a photo of a debit card would raise the limit. Speaking with a bank representative in person could allow for the cap to be removed entirely. Suspected criminal activity will be uncovered via transaction histories. According to Eddie Yu, chief executive of Hong Kong Monetary Authority, it has become easier to use and popularize new payment technologies. When you look in Bill Gates' patent, there was something dealing with that. All right. Since growing coronavirus concerns makes consumers prefer digital currencies to physical cash. See? So there's a perfect excuse to do away with physical cash and shift more into the world of digital currencies, man. Which we understand is going to lead to Revelation 13 and 16, all right, which we should all know by now, all right, going into the mark of the beast, man, all right, that RFID microchip. So that's where we headed, man. We only in what, May? We still in May, all right, we only in May, so a lot could happen between now and the end of the year, all right. So we'll see what happens, man, because this is definitely the year of prophecy. Anyway, with that, I hope this is edifying unto the elect, giving all praises to Yahweh, Bahashem Yahweh Shai, Bahashem Rakha Kodash, Shalom.